That's a genocide. You're complicit in genocide of the Palestinian people. You are complicit. Come on, Eddie. Eddie, help us. Eddie, help us save them. Come on. The Israeli terrorists are committing a genocide, and the U.S. Congress and Senate are complicit in funding the bombs that are forcing children to be slaughtered and massacred. Shame on this government. The United States of America is complicit in genocide. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. They are massacring children.
They'll arrest veterans. They'll arrest you.
Stop the bomb! 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 Shame on you! You're complicit! This is your legacy! This is your legacy! Out of there! Talk to the camera. Why are they arresting you?
They're arresting us for speaking out against genocide.
Stop the bombs!
The U.S.
Stop the
Congress
bombs!
is paying for the
Stop
death of children,
slaughtering babies!
women and children.
Stop slaughtering babies! We are being arrested right now for interrupting a foreign affairs hearing on nominations because the U.S. is complicit in genocide. They are complicit in the slaughter of babies.
When the United States Congress comes after veterans, they will come after you. Every American sitting at home right now needs to realize that you are paying for a genocide.
Rise up! Rise up, America! Rise up! It is time to take back this country from these corrupt politicians. It is time. It is beyond time.
Thank you for your service.